Monday vlog. Let's get into it. Okay, so the house is a mess. The house is a mess. Okay, so I still had some stuff at my apartment, and so I have been living out of all of my like springy, summer, whatever, summery clothes at the house. Didn't have any of my winter clothes. So I went and got a lot of those today. I went to the pharmacist. I'm going to show y'all what I got for my skin, or the pharmacy. Clindamycin phosphate. I use this on my face like every other day. I'm going to move to a sunnier area so y'all can see my actual skin tone. Well, I don't know. This looks, my skin tone, like, is so splotchy. Like, the discoloration, rough. Anyway, so also got some tretinoin cream. I'm holding it like that so I don't show my prescription label, whatever. That stuff does work wonders on my skin. And then I have like a bleachy cream that I have to get from the compounding shop. And then I'm going to start Winlevi, but my insurance doesn't cover it. So I got to send something back in. I'm going to show y'all. Okay, so these are the clothes right here that I'm not even pointing to the right place, that I just moved in. There's Brucey with all of his toys chilling. I've never showed y'all the house before. So essentially, there's just some areas that the house needs work on. And like before school started, I was working on some of them. But, oh my gosh, like, with everything going on, it's like during a school year, like I can't work on anything. So this summer is when I'll refocus on getting some of the stuff done in the house. My students have like an ice cream day on Wednesday, but they either have to have their parents put 75 cents in their account, and I could be wrong, but the parents aren't used to having to put money in their account because their lunch and breakfast is free, and the students can't bring in physical change. Like it has to be in an envelope with their teacher's name on it, all this type of stuff. So I'm going to be doing that today. It's 75 cents. I have like a huge bag of quarters. So I'm just going to do that for them because like, I'm sure most of them would come in with $1, but they literally cannot bring change. So anyway, I'm going to show y'all what I make for the week. I'm going to show y'all some rooms before and afters. And yeah, I'm working on the study right now. It has all of my clothes in it. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all. I got to clean the bathroom. Oh, so much to do. So a little impromptu project has appeared. Look at this wall, this bathroom. Mind you, I've never painted a wall before. Blue tape, who? let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm taking a little bit of a painting break because I need an actual paintbrush for the very top, because I thought I was just going to be able to go all the way up, but the white isn't the same, so I can't. So I'm going to show y'all what I just got done vacuuming. It looks so much better. I should have showed y'all before and after. Move, Bruce. Okay, so all of these steps going down here were filthy. They've never been vacuumed before. So I vacuumed them. It looks a lot better. We really have to work on our garage. But main house is definitely a priority. Okay, so because Brucey, where are you, Brucey? Brucey sheds so much, I Swiffer the whole house and then I vacuum it. But, oh gosh. I'm boiling one of our paint brushes. I wonder if I can just set it up. Also I changed shirts because I realized the one I was wearing was Cortez's and that's not a paint shirt. Okay, so anyway, I'm boiling, let me show y'all. I'm boiling this brush because I have no other brush, but look at how, like, it's stuck together. So I'm like, I thought boiling is sort of making it come back to life. But I think I'm gonna do a second coat. Anyway, so I took a vacuuming break. I think I'm gonna vacuum up here first. And then I'm probably gonna do that next wall. Today I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna do one wall. I'm thinking I'm gonna do the next wall. Also, let me show y'all. This is the vacuum I use. It's like $55 at Walmart. The best vacuum ever. So Becca and I had one at our old apartment. And like probably once a year the rotating belt would break, but to replace the rotating belt was like $5. This is the best vacuum ever. Like the cord is really long, it vacuums really well. Like I see no reason in buying a like more expensive vacuum. Like love. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get to vacuuming. Okay, so I cleaned the filter in our vacuum because it was starting to smell a little bit, and I'm hoping, like, you know how when you vacuum and then just a certain smell happens and you're like, yeah. And honestly, I didn't clean these parts because I'm so afraid of stuff being wet and electrical. Like, I'm gonna plug this in. What if something's wet and I die? Like, I don't need to go out with something that I could have avoided. So, safety precautions. I dusted it off, but you know, I didn't like rinse it. And low key, now that I'm smelling it, I probably should have. But there's a few more things on the floor in the kitchen before I Swiffer. I love a good wet Swiffer. I literally went and got groceries and then I cooked dinner. I made fish tacos. That's Bruce groaning. I made fish tacos. So good. Made my breakfast for the week and prepared my lunch. And now I'm like so sleepy. So I should have recorded because I really don't cook that often. And so I should have recorded and it looked really good and it tasted really good. But yeah, that is my Sunday vlog.